Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and welcome to today's episode of Updates with Mykah. So today I'm going to show you guys how you could create some amazing uniqueness to your drum groove, how you could create some movement without using movement. So without wasting time, guys, let's go right to our DW so I show you guys this amazing updates. Let's go. All right, so we're right in our DW right now, and I'm just going to show you guys this amazing trick, but I'm just going to play the drums so you hear what the drum sounds like. Then I show you guys this trick, then I just play the whole vibe together. Okay, so this is what everything sounds like, just the drums. We have this for the drums. So without the kick, we have this very simple, just your ring, hi-hat, and that's all. So this is where the trick comes in now. You just have to go to your master. So go to my master and just activate this knob right here. I know most of you might not have used this knob before, but it's very important in case you just want to render a portion of your track. You can just use this knob. So I'm just going to select it, then hold Alt R. So once you hold Alt R, it renders that portion you've selected, but it's only going to render what is being turned on. So the other sounds that are turned off won't render. So I'm just going to hit on start, and it's just going to render it for me. All right, so it's done rendering, and let's look for it. So it has inserted it here. So this is just basically that same drum groove. Yeah, the same drum groove. What I'm just going to do is send this to my mixer, right? Send the track. And if you're on the live yesterday, you might have I explained this, but just want to put it down here for those of you who are subscribed but don't watch my live on TikTok. So all you just have to do is come and put in modern melodies. And I've talked about modern melodies before. I've used it on melodies, but trust me, you can use it on your drums. It's all about creativity, playing around. So I tried it on my drums and it was amazing. So I'm just going to show you guys how amazing it is. We're just going to start with the first preset, right? And let's just play. So you can see what it has turned our drum into. Let's see the other preset. You can see. So it's just left for you to choose. But for me, the one I really love, is Echoes. Echoes is amazing. And this is what it sounds like. You just give it like a groove. Give the percussion some movement. So, but you can see that the echo is too much. So this knob here is our echo knob. So you all just need to do is turn it to your desired percentage. So I'm just going to turn it down a little bit and have this. Nice. So it has given it movement, and all I just need to do is consolidate this track because I just want to have it as a wave. So yeah, we have this, and I'm just going to blend that with our drums. So I'm just going to bring down the gain a little bit. So yeah, so let's blend it in now with our drums. So you can see it has given the whole drum groove some movement. Let's turn everything on. So yeah, let's beat our kick grab. Like you can see how interesting the drum groove is. Let me just turn it off. Without it, you can just see the drum groove. But with this turned on now, it gives it movement. Guys, this is update. You guys should actually subscribe, like, and comment for for this kind of updates, man. Because updates coming back to back. You definitely want to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you never miss out. So yeah, so that's the update, and let's just put it with the chords and everything. Yeah, and stuff like that. Once you've consolidated it, once you've added that effect, it can be a good start. You can use it to just start your your intro of your beats. It's just gonna fit in well. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's take this to the intro now and just hear what it sounds like. Like it just sits well. you bring in the whole drums now. Nice. So that's an update you guys need to to try out. And if it works for you, I want you guys to just come back to this video and drop in the comment that it actually worked for you, so that people can believe in my updates. My updates don't cast well. So yeah, this is the update I found of late. And if you listen to my drums now, you're just gonna hear it sounding very, very unique. Instead of just hearing the drum and snare, you're just gonna be hearing something underneath it moving. Something moving, and you're gonna be like, oh, so this is actually what I've been doing. So it sounds like this. I know some of you guys watching this video also want to know which plugin this is for the chord. This is Peculiar Sounds, and I just love the way it glides. Yeah, I just love the way Peculiar Sounds glide. And let's just listen to the whole vibe. Just with that, I'll show you without that stuff. So let me just turn it off from the intro, so you just hear what it sounds like from the intro. So that's without. So let's just put it with. You hear it. It already makes it interesting, make it beautiful. So you can just hear those movements underneath it, like giving it the sauce, giving it the vibe. So in case you like videos like this and you want to see updates, all the time, you want to improve on your production scale, you definitely want to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when next I post. Trust me guys, I always post amazing stuff and you definitely don't want to miss out. Thank you guys. And if you want to join the Patreon to get amazing goodies, the link to join the Patreon is in the description of this video. I'm also finding a way others can join. A lot of people are not having access to that Patreon. I'm working on ways you could actually get an alternative. But before then, thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys in the next episode of Updates with Mykah. I think I'm gonna call this series Updates with Mykah. Thank you guys, and peace.